Hi everyone, my name is Frisha. Today is the 28th of January 2024. I'm going to be going over the results of the third strategy front testing on SPX predictions based on option chain analysis, and this is the performance results of week 5. So the prediction was made on the 20th of January 2024 for the week ending the 26th. The weekly open was 4,853.42. The prediction was that the market goes down, which obviously wasn't the case as the market closed at 4,890.97, which gives us a weekly PNL of 37.55. This is actually a loss, so this value is actually incorrect. It is supposed to be minus 37.55, which brings our weekly PNL to minus 0.77% and our cumulative PNL to minus 1.84%. And the SPX weekly change percentage was positive 1.06%. And the cumulative return in this much time SPX has given is 2.87%, giving us an alpha of minus 4.71%. So clearly this is not going super well for SPX, but as time progresses, these values will change. But that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.